Here I have Nissan Ariya Nismo. Let me show you how to change PIN. Let me show you how to change the Bluetooth password on the following car. So, at the very beginning, let's start by using the home screen. Then let's find and select the settings icon. From the settings icon, you can find here and select the connections. So let's swipe left and see connections. Now let's choose the Bluetooth section, and now you can use this settings icon again. So if you tap the settings icon, you've got access to the following Bluetooth settings, and one of them is PIN. So right now I'm using 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, but you can easily change it and set up whenever you want. In my case, I will use 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I think it's most convenient for me. I don't need to use some more secure one, so let's just leave this default PIN. In my case, if you change something, you can tap OK, and that's it. So thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our channel, leave thumbs up.